Christmas time. What better way to say Merry Christmas than Kentucky Fried Chicken? Kentucky Fried Chicken has been a staple dish served in Japan since the 70s. Millions of Japanese people now make it a tradition to eat KFC for Christmas. KFC. Finger looking good. So let's open this bad boy up. Got a nice little breast here and a wing. So what do you do with KFC after you get it? There's a little rice cooker hack that has been taking Japan by storm. This trend happened a few months ago, and you could make fried rice in a rice cooker all in one pot like that. So let's try this KFC rice cooker fried rice. Dice up a half a carrot. You only need about a half cup's worth. Now dice up 3 Yukon potatoes the same size as the carrot. I like Yukon potatoes because they stay firm when cooking them in different recipes. Now with 2 cups of rice in your rice cooker, make sure that you wash and rinse them 3 times with cold water. Drain all the water out and don't put any water in. We're gonna put chicken stock in later. Let's place a tomato. Core out the top of the tomato so we don't get any stem in there. Place that right in the middle of the rice. Now, let's neatly place carrots into 1/4 of the bowl and do the same with the diced potatoes. If you have to use less carrots and potatoes, that's okay. You don't want to overfill this. Now we're going to put a handful of peas in another 1/4 of the bowl. And finally add in some frozen corn to complete the circle. Drizzle the vegetables with some olive oil. Sprinkle some pepper. Now let's put in about 2 to 2.5 cups of chicken stock into the pot. And finally, let's break out that finger looking good Kentucky Fried Chicken. Place that right on the top of everything. No need to shred it, as we want everything to steam. Place the lid on and hit that cook button. While that's cooking, let's make a sauce to put on the rice once it's done cooking. In a saucepan, I diced up some fried garlic, onions, green onion bottoms with olive oil, soy sauce, mirin cooking wine, a bit of oyster sauce, and a dab of hoisin sauce. When the onions caramelize, it's done. Pour that into the pot, shred and debone the chicken, and mix it all up. That tomato is gonna break wide open. And then mix it all up. It's done. This just came out of the rice cooker. Just stirred it up. Let's give this sucker a taste. See what all the hype is about. Okay. It's not too shabby, especially for a 1-pot fried rice. Minimal effort. You can really taste the kernel in here. Highly recommend. Fried rice has always been a way to clean up your leftovers. This is just another way to do it with KFC. Order a 10-piece, throw in 4 pieces. Bam, another meal.